There are places in the universe where our smartest equations fall silent, where gravity refuses to behave, time loses its meaning, and reality itself stops following the rules we trust to explain existence. We like to believe the universe is governed by clean, elegant laws, predictable, stable, reliable, but that belief only survives in the places we can understand. Beyond those boundaries, physics doesn't just struggle, it collapses. There are regions where space can be infinitely dense and infinitely small at the same time, places where past and future blur into a single moment. Locations where our most powerful theories, relativity and quantum mechanics, violently disagree, leaving us with no answers at all. These are not imaginary places. They are real. They exist in our universe right now. And in these locations, the laws of physics do not guide reality. They surrender to it. In this video, we will explore 3 places in the universe where physics completely breaks down and where reality begins to reveal how fragile our understanding truly is. The first place where physics begins to fail is inside a neutron star. A neutron star is what remains when a massive star dies, collapses, and compresses itself into a sphere barely the size of a city, yet heavier than our entire sunday. In this place, matter is crushed so violently that atoms are destroyed, protons and electrons merge into neutrons, the very structure of matter stops behaving like matter. 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Gravity here is so extreme that it bends space into shapes our equations can barely describe. The pressure is so intense that we do not know if the core is made of neutrons, quarks, or something even stranger, a form of matter that has never existed anywhere else in the universe. Inside a neutron star, quantum mechanics and gravity collide, and they do not agree. Relativity predicts one outcome, quantum physics predicts another. Both cannot be right, and yet the neutron star exists. Time also behaves differently. Space is distorted. Light bends unnaturally. The laws we trust to describe reality no longer give clear answers. Some scientists believe neutron star cores may contain exotic matter or even miniature singularities. Others think they may hold a new phase of reality that we have no language to describe. In this place, physics does not collapse because it is wrong. It collapses because reality is stronger than our understanding. Neutron stars remind us of something uncomfortable, that the universe is capable of creating conditions far beyond what human logic was designed to handle. And if physics already struggles inside the remains of a dead star, what happens when we move to the very edge of existence itself? Beyond the last visible galaxies lies a boundary we can never cross, the edge of the observable universe. This is not the edge of the universe itself. It is the edge of what light has had enough time to reach us. Beyond this boundary, space continues, time continues, reality continues, but we will never see it. And here, physics begins to lose meaning. At this edge, galaxies are moving away faster than light, not because they're breaking the rules, but because space itself is expanding faster than information can travel. Relativity allows it, but human intuition cannot accept it. Causality breaks down. Events can happen forever beyond our reach, completely disconnected from us, yet still part of the same universe. Even worse, we cannot test anything beyond this boundary. No experiment, no observation, no equation can confirm what exists there. Physics depends on evidence. And here evidence ends. Some theories say different laws of physics may exist beyond this horizon. Other theories suggest entirely different universes with different dimensions, constants, and realities. The universe may not be uniform. It may be a patchwork of different realities stitched together by space itself. At the edge of the observable universe, physics does not fail because it is wrong. It fails because it is blind. And when science can no longer see, it can no longer promise truth, yet even this boundary is not the final breakdown of physics. Because the greatest collapse of the laws does not happen at the edge of space. It happens at the end of time. The final place where physics stops working is not in space. It is in time. The heat death of the universe is the moment when all energy becomes evenly spread. No stars, no motion, no heat flow, no structure, no change. Time continues, but nothing happens. Physics is built on differences, hot and cold, high and low, fast and slow. Without differences, equations lose meaning. Entropy reaches its maximum. Motion becomes pointless. Cause and effect fade into silence. In this future, stars have burned out. Galaxies have drifted apart beyond sight. Black holes have evaporated into faint whispers of radiation. Matter itself begins to dissolve into isolated particles scattered across endless darkness. Even atoms can no longer hold together. Even protons may eventually decay. Space becomes a near-perfect vacuum filled with weak, fading energy. No light, no life, no chemistry, no memory. Yet time still moves forward, carrying nothing with it. Here, physics does not describe reality anymore, because reality has almost disappeared. There is no structure left for laws to govern, no systems left to evolve, no forces left to balance, only existence without events. Some theories suggest that quantum fluctuations could still randomly create new universes inside this emptiness. Others say this is the absolute end, the final state of everything that can ever exist. If this future is real, then the universe is not racing toward destruction. It is slowly forgetting itself. Every star, every planet, every civilization, every human thought becomes a temporary ripple in a reality that eventually smooths itself into nothing. And in that future, the laws of physics do not break in fire. They fade in silence. Because where nothing is left to obey them, even the rules of reality lose their purpose. And the universe does not end with a scream. It ends with a whisper that no one will ever hear.